Hello friend, this is Sanjay Kumar, creator of SelectorsHub. Welcome back. This is really exciting release, and actually all the features which are there in this release are mostly demanded by SelectorsHub users and the community members, and these are really amazing features which you will definitely going to love. The first one is disable auto attribute suggestion, and all these features will be available with the version 3.0.5. Disable auto attribute suggestion, the very first one. So this is really a good feature. It is suggested by Gaurav Khurana. This feature will help you because many times, like when you are writing in XPath or selectors in SelectorsHub, you don't need the auto suggest like while typing here. Let me just zoom in. So if you type here something, immediately it starts suggesting you. So suppose if you are a beginner and you just started learning here, started learning writing selectors, but if you will get if you start getting auto suggest from here itself, so sometimes you might feel that I'm not able to think what I should type or something before thinking SelectorsHub suggested this feature, suggested those options. So I don't want, like as a beginner, I don't want initially these auto suggest. So here is a feature, you can turn it off. Now when you will be writing your own XPath, so you will have to type everything. You will have to think, okay, what are the like functions, what are the features. So this will help you in learning a lot. Like let's say you don't want the auto suggest by like you don't want auto suggest to be suggested by SelectorsHub for you, so that like you can test yourself, like what all things you know, whether you know all those functions of XPath or not. So that way it will be helpful for you. And in fact, like when you will be like writing CSS selector like this, then in that case also it is helpful, it will be helpful. Like it will not give the auto suggest, but if it is like you are writing a CSS selector, then it will automatically suggest like this. So in that case also it will be helpful, that it will not be like if you have turned it off, then it will not be giving those options. Gaurav Khurana has called this feature as a expert mode. Like if you are an expert, then you want the auto suggest, so in that case you can turn it off. But if you are a learner or a basic someone like who just started learning selectors, then you can turn it off and you build your own XPath, like completely write it by your own. Don't get don't take those auto suggested values. But if you are an expert and you know all those things, so definitely, like to save time, because at a certain point of time we all are doing automation, so you need to save the time, you need to do the automation. So in that case, definitely you can go with this option. So this is basically a very good add-on and very good feature here, which you will definitely love a lot. Okay, the next one, generate selectors with double quotes. This feature is requested and suggested by my very good friend, my close friend Ken. He is the creator of Tag UI. If you haven't explored this open source free RPA automation solution, do check out Tag UI, and this is that's really good. So basically in Tag UI, when they write the selectors and all, so they need like uh, they used to write like mostly inside double quotes. This attribute value or like text value or whatever it is, they always write inside double quote. And in fact, like many people in practice, uh, even you might be writing this value like inside double quotes, attribute value in selectors in XPath. So but selectors are by default giving you the value inside single quote. So what if like you want to get it inside double quote? So in that case, like today what people were doing before this feature, people were like manually writing, manually changing it. They used to take this value and then replace this single quote by double quote. So that's a tedious task for many people, but not anymore. So with this feature, there's a button here, option, click to generate selectors with double quote. You just have to click on this. Now you see that it is generated with double quotes, everything. cssSelector, relative XPath, and JSpath. So whatever whichever selectors will be having the single quote, it will be converted into double quotes. And now you see that if you inspect any other element here or anything, it will be generating with double quotes. And good thing about it, like you need not to set this again and again. Once it is set, like next time when you will open, let's say you go to some other website and you open it, so you need not to again set that you need not to set those setting again. It will be basically saved in the local config. So when next time when you will open SelectorsHub, it will be opened with your setting and it will be generating with double quotes like this. So if you open here the SelectorsHub, it will be generating with the double quotes. So you can see that it is generating with double quotes. Like if you inspect any element, you will find that it will be generating with double quotes. And at any point of time you want to go back and you want to generate with single quote, you again click on this and then you will see that it will be generating with single quote. So it's your choice. Like now you have the option whether you want to generate selectors XPath with double quote or single quote, that you can do it very easily. So definitely this is a very good on features, and it will definitely save a lot of time for you. And I must say thank you to Gaurav and Ken for suggesting and requesting such an amazing features. Another one is here hide footer banners for better view. So like today if you see that many times like this footer is there and this footer comes here. So this is basically like good information for every community member and all the SelectorsHub users, that like at one place itself you get all the good links and information about like what is new and all. But sometimes it hides the view. So many people prefer that they want to like get a better view. So you can hide this now, like both the footers here, because not every time every users, those who are existing users from long, so they don't want to see it again and again, right? Like every day if you are getting this and it's been like quite a number of months now you are using SelectorsHub, so you want to hide this. So both these options. So here to support SelectorsHub I have made this one, that whoever will be the patron, so this will be a good advantage for all the patrons. Like those who will become the patron, they will get these options enabled here. So to like to hide this, to get rid of these footer banners, you you will have to be the patron here. Click on this, it will take you to the patron page and you be the patron. On being patron you will get a key. So let's say you will get an XYZ key from me. That key you will have to enter here and press enter. Then when you will press enter, these footer banners will be hidden for forever. So this way you can hide it. So this will be a advantage for all the patrons of SelectorsHub, and this will definitely going to help a lot and support financially this project. So yeah, this will help us to grow and to grow the community, to innovate more, and to like focus on development side more rather than like marketing and other stuff and getting sponsors. So this will help a lot to grow this project and to grow our SelectorsHub community. And definitely it is going to advantage a lot for you guys. Like in many cases, like when you hit enter, like if there are like more number of matching elements, and if you have the smaller view, in that case many times you are not able to see all those things. So they are getting hidden over here because of these footers. So definitely like most of you want to get rid of this. So please be a patron, and then definitely you will be able to get a better view, better and clean view here. Then next thing here is I will create a separate video on this, like with the keys, and I will show you how you can remove that and all. The next feature is, you see that like with the previous version of SelectorsHub, like 3.0.4, the current one which you have, there you have only 4 options, 4 selectors you used to get. Now you will be getting here 5, total number of 5 will be there. So if like any element will be having the whatever number, like if it is if 5 possible selectors are there for an element, it will show all of them here. And you will have the one more here, currently having 4. Now you will see 5 here, like relative css selector, xpath, id, class name, js path. So because today like many people use the js path, most of the developers you are using taking selectors this js path from SelectorsHub. So it will be very beneficial for them that now they will not have to scroll, they can directly take the value from here. So this will be helpful for them, and this will definitely get a better view. Apart from these like top features, there are like small fixes on UI, and I have added the text on here. Like you can see that on toggle button on off, that is there just to like make it better view and good feel, look and feel. There are fixes for the like these elements here, like whatever number of nodes you are seeing here. So in the previous version, like 1 or 2 nodes were getting hidden between these behind these banners, but that will not happen anymore. Now you will like whatever number is there, that all it will show here. So if it is like 129, so if you scroll down, it will show the last one as well. Currently this 129 was going behind this one, so that fix is there in this release. So I hope you will enjoy this release and you will love these features. So if you have any feature or anything, feel free to reach out to me, discuss with, you can discuss with all the community member here on Slack channel. We have the Telegram link, Telegram group as well. So feel free to discuss with me, with the community members. So and whatever features, so you have seen that these all most of the features are like on demand features, and community demands like whatever you feel that this feature should be there, so all those features will be coming on SelectorsHub. And whatever you feel that this should be there, this should not be there, this could be in this way, so feel free to add the suggestion, let me know what are your thoughts. And please keep sharing SelectorsHub. Do let me know in the comment section like this is what you need, and this is how you are feeling about what are your how much you like about these features and how you are using basically these features. So please let me know in the comment section, so I can make it better and better and innovate something new, so that like you it can save more time for you guys and automate this process. And please subscribe to this channel, you will keep getting the upcoming innovation updates and everything. And please be patron and support SelectorsHub, share SelectorsHub as much as possible, because not everyone yet aware about it. Currently there are only 19 patrons, so I'm looking for like more people to support SelectorsHub, because of course I'm working on this project full time, not working for any company, so that I can completely focus on this and support you guys 24/7 on call or any kind of issue. So yeah, with that, thank you so much.